Hola, my name is Dino, and I'm here representing the tribe of Vale Das Lobas, or Valley of the She-Wolves. At Vale Das Lobas, we are developing a holistic retreat center for well-being and discovery in the heart of rural Portugal. Our aim is to create a space at Gathering of Tribes where we can share our ideas about a holistic approach to do business in hospitality, property development, and agriculture, or in other words, in nature tourism, natural construction, and natural farming. Holism is at the core of our mission, and it guides us in everything that we try to do. So it goes from the way we develop our retreat programs, the way we grow our food, the way we construct our buildings, the way we restore the landscape, and how we do artisan crafts. We are curious to learn and to share ideas about this with you. But we also want to learn and share ideas with you about how we can combine the transactional economy with building community. We're eager to hear your ideas about this, and we will gather in spaces where we can share those ideas together. So, and what about regenerative models for leadership and governance, working together in a business environment? There are many puzzles to solve, but intuitively we know that it is possible for us to live in harmony with nature. So first of all, we will come with the gift of connection, as I think it's the greatest gift to give and the greatest reward to receive. But we will also come with the gift of the 13 moon plant medicine, which I am actually preparing here right now. This plant medicine has resulted from almost 10 years of research that we did on methods of improving and enhancing the soil biome, improving biodiversity, and helping to revitalize the soil biome in a way that is holistic. So we've been preparing this soil enhancing medicine, which we call the 13 moons, as it is also related to the cycles of the moon. And we've prepared this and it's ready for use. So during the Gathering of Tribes at the camp of Vale Das Lobas, we will be able to share with you about the 13 moons plant medicine, how we make it, and we'll be able to share it with you with any other project that is working on regeneration. So we are very excited to come to Gathering of Tribes this September, and we invite all our followers, our supporters, and you to come and join us at our camp this year. Look forward to seeing you all. Ciao, ciao.